Good afternoon and welcome to KSCB News, where today we will be featuring an email sending motion detector, a new device that sends email alerts when your mailbox is full.
Be sure to stay tuned. Cassie, I'm so lazy. I don't want to walk to my mailbox. Do you know what I should do?
I have an idea! Too lazy to walk all the way to your mailbox to see if you have mail?
Now we have a solution.
We have designed an email sending motion detector
that will send an email to you whenever your mailbox is full. And let's go to the scene.
Here we have the teacher mailboxes.
For this project, you will need a breadboard, PIR sensor, and some wires. You will also have to download the Arduino program.
In this project, we also used a program called Python. Python is an easy-to-use programming language that we downloaded for this project. Python allows your computer and Arduino to communicate.
A lot of you may be wondering, how does your project relate to physics? Well, here is the answer.
For this project, we used a PIR motion sensor. A PIR motion sensor detects levels of infrared radiation. Everything emits radiation, including you. So when your hand moves past the motion sensor, the chip inside of the motion sensor reads the output of the sensor, emits a digital output, and this connects with Arduino to trigger email alerts.
This is our breadboard layout for our project, created by using fritzing. So the pins you'll need on the breadboard are 7, ground, and 5V. So here is the PIR sensor, and these are the wires. This is the back of the sensor, and as you can see, there are 3 points right here. So just stick the wires onto the 3 prongs and there. So the wires of the PIR sensor are so thin and hard to use, you may want to solder it onto regular wires.
Set your soldering machine to about 450 degrees Celsius.
So this is the code we used, and the second line that says 1 minute, that's how frequently we want the Arduino to send us a message every time the sensor detects a motion. Because for example, if someone waved their hand in front of our sensor like 50 times, we don't want an email every time there's a motion, so we don't want 50 emails. So if you wave your hand in front of it 50 times, it will only give us 1 email for that minute. So this is the Python program, and the to Gmail user and Gmail pass right here, that's where you add your Gmail, the one that you want the email sent to, and you add your password, and under there it says subject. That's where you add the subject to your email. So ours is set to intrusion, and text, you can change that also, and that's what your email will be saying. Also, you have to change this into the COM you're using, and for us, we're using COM 3. This is our final product, and as you can see, as I move my hand, the breadboard is blinking, signaling motion. Right here, you can see how the sensor is reacting to a movement and sending information to the Python, and then the Python sends that information to your Gmail account, and there's the email. Oh my gosh, Cassie, thank you so much. Now I get email alerts when my mailbox is full.
It's amazing.
My mailbox is full.
Guess it's time to go check your mail. Thank you so much for joining us this afternoon on KSCB News. I'm Cassie Boozy Cruz.
And I'm Karen Suzuki, and thank you for joining us.